Today, let's make braised minced vegetarian meat with preserved mustard greens. This dish is appetizing and perfect with rice. Remember to make it and share it with your family.
The braised minced veggie meat with preserved mustard greens is savory and rich. The tangy mustard greens pair perfectly with the chewy texture of the plant-based meat, making it incredibly satisfying with rice. Ingredients: muichoy soy flakes. Rinse the preserved mustard greens thoroughly under running water to remove excess salt and dust. Then soak them in fresh water for 30 minutes to 1 hour to reduce the saltiness. After soaking, squeeze out the water, then chop or use them whole for a more balanced flavor. Preserved mustard greens are rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and supports gut health. They contain vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, calcium, and iron, which benefit immunity and bone health. The fermentation process may introduce probiotics, helping to balance gut microbiota. However, due to their high salt content, those with hypertension or kidney issues should consume them in moderation. Preserved mustard greens offer a savory umami taste with a tangy fermented note and subtle sweetness, delivering a rich, appetizing flavor. After soaking and cooking, the saltiness mellows while the umami deepens, enhancing dishes with a balanced depth of flavor. Air frying soybean pulp until crispy locks in aroma and adds texture, allowing it to better absorb flavorful sauces during braising. High heat air frying reduces the beany bitterness, resulting in a tender yet crispy bite after simmering. Stir fry preserved mustard greens with oyster sauce, salt and sugar in hot oil to instantly create a savory sweet umami explosion. Oyster sauce enhances freshness, salt amplifies flavor, while sugar balances saltiness. The trio elevates the preserved greens' depth harmoniously. Simmer the preserved mustard greens with water over low heat to meld flavors, reducing the liquid for a richer, more concentrated taste. As the sauce thickens, the greens soften without losing texture, soaking up all the savory sweet seasoning for a deeply satisfying bite. Toss in soy flakes once sauce is boiled. When braised with sauces or spices, the caramelized notes from air frying deepen the dish's overall richness. The soybean pulp absorbs the sauce well, so you can add water and continue simmering. Once the bean curd crumbs fully soak up the broth, they become plump and juicy. Simmer over low heat to let the pulp thoroughly absorb the flavors, becoming rich and savory. Simmer vegetarian bean pulp with preserved mustard greens for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to fully absorb the savory flavors of the greens and rich sauce. Cook over low heat until the sauce reduces and the pulp becomes tender, but not mushy. The aromatic vegan bean curd and preserved green stew is perfectly done. Serve it piping hot and dig in its comfort food at its finest. Vegetarian minced meat is typically made from textured soybean pulp, also called vegan shrimp flakes, with varying grain sizes available for texture preferences. Asterisk fine-grained pulp absorbs flavors quickly for delicate dishes, while coarse-grained retains chewiness to better mimic meat. Choose based on recipes, finely ground for fried rice, chunky cuts for stews to maintain structure. Huiza preserved mustard greens is a Guangdong specialty with sweet and salty varieties, golden in color with thick stems that turn tender sweet when braised. Shaoxing dried mustard greens is in Zhejiang style, made from perthurb mustard with dark hue and intense umami, ideal for braised pork or fried rice. Hakka water preserved greens is lightly fermented with bright acidity and crisp texture, often used in soups or salads. Yunnan black mustard greens is sun-dried at high altitude with smoky notes, requires prolonged soaking but adds depth to hearty stews. Space-approved greens asterisk. Chinese astronauts have eaten dehydrated preserved mustard greens in space due to their compact nutrition and long shelf life. 5 cm luxury rule premium Huiza greens use only the tender 5 cm core of mustard stems, shorter lacks flavor, longer turns fibrous. barefoot fermentation. Ancient methods used foot stomping to regulate temperature. Modern machines now replicate body heat for fermentation. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.